I look a mess, but my wig came and I'm happy. Okay, my wig came and I'm happy.
I cop a new drop in white tee. Ayy, I fuck a new bitch in white tee.
Okay, I copped the whip, then wrapped it with the shiny polish. No bitch a dub, she $20. Absolutely right now, I'm up on the night.
What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? And I'm back with another video. Okay. Oh. But anyways, today's video is going to be me reviewing this wig and me putting it on for the first time. Had mucus in my throat. I will leave everything down below, everything in the link, what I did and down below. I know sometimes I be fronting, but you know, I'm not fronting this time, sis. I'm not. But yeah, this is a 8-inch curly Brazilian. Is it Brazilian? I think it's Brazilian wig or whatever. It's not curly, but it's kinky. Apparently, I never had a kinky wig before, and thankfully, this company has sent it to me to review for you guys. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to review. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna keep ranting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out. Okay, what's up? This is the Hair's Costly Care, and inside the box it came with this cap, I guess, and some eyelashes. And yeah, the hair is just this curly wig. You know, when you first get a wig, it looks like this. So yeah. What's up, guys? And my battery is about to die, to be honest with you, but I'm about to put on a wig, and y'all about to see me put on a wig, because when I put on this wig, I'm gonna be stunting on you in this wig. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do use to put on this wig. Obviously, this brown hair cap or whatever, some got to be glued spray and got to be glued liquid stuff. So yeah, we have to get started, and yeah, we're gonna get started. I don't know if like the bathroom setting, I really look bald, it's giving off an orange tone or whatever, but like, I'm sorry. I got my scissors basically, so now I'm about to cut. These scissors suck. Oh my god. So in case I got little flyaways now, you want to get this and you're gonna push it down. And yeah, this is an 8-inch wig, curly, well, kinky apparently wig, but I'm gonna wet it so it could be like curly. But we about to cut the lace in the back because yeah. Now you're gonna, yeah, it look like that right now, but you know, we're not gonna worry about that. So I'm gonna put some more got to be glued on my head, but for right now we gonna hold this back. I look like Bobo the clown. So I'm gonna get something, put a little over the cap, like so, whatever. So I'm gonna pull this over like there. Okay, I should have cut it. I should have cut it. I don't know if I should keep it like this or like what or like what or like what. I don't know. I don't know. But that is this video. Overall, I really love this hair. Like, it's curly, you know. Next time, I don't know if I should like have it up, have my forehead out, but just do like a little side part. But I didn't bring no tweezers to my mom's house, so like it's kind of hard to do a lot of styles that I want because half of my hair stuff is home and my mom got dreads. So, and I believe my crush would like it. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely go get this hair so y'all could be like me. Y'all already know. Let me stop fucking around with you. But yeah, peace out, y'all.